Okay, my name is Niyamuda and you're welcome. This Sunday, that is tomorrow, exactly 21:00 WAT, Nigeria will be playing Ivory Coast in the finals of the Africa Cups of Nation. So we're going to create a very simple flyer about this. So this is it. Let's first bring in some of the resources that we'll be using. I want this. I want this guy. Right. The branding looks more like the old stuff here. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So this is the football, the official football for the Africa Cup of Nation. All right. I'm just gonna make it a little bit brighter. All right, that's official football, right? Okay. Now this is gonna be. All right, let's bring this guy here. Okay. Okay. Oh, one balling. Increase contrast a little, darken it a little. Alright, this guy happened to be a very good goalkeeper, very good. Alright, I'll bring this to the front. Alright, then I'm going to come again and bring this guy here. Try to bring out the color a little. Alright. Okay, so the team. Alright, so I can put them somewhere. Oh, leave that, just bring this guy in. Bring this to the front. Okay. Now try also to see where this guy can fit in. Alright. Alright. No. Okay, so I'm going to bring in this guy here. This guy, I'll bring it to the front. I'm going to first change the color to white. Okay. So I need plenty of it to blend that white there. Alright. Okay, so I can simply send all of it to the back like this. Then I can send this now to the back. So I have something like this. Okay. All right. So I can bring in the Super Eagles logo, which happen to be this. Okay, it can be there. Then I can also bring the official logo for this African Cup of Nation. So we use this. Right, then all right, so we are almost there. So right here I'm going to get these guys. I'm going to get a shape like this, and like this, and put it right there. Reduce it. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm going to bring in the two countries that will be playing. So this is going to be Cote d'Ivoire, right? Let me crop it very well. This Ivory Coast, right? And all that's going to be Nigeria. Okay, so but that being said, we're gonna bring this cup over here. I'm just gonna give it a little more brightness and color and contrast. Okay. Okay. Let's put it here. All right, so at the bottom here I want to put in the Nigeria logo. So I want to go over here. I'm just gonna write Nigeria flag. Okay, so I'm just gonna get one of it. Alright, so I'm downloading this. Alright, so coming back to the design, we have this already. So I'm going to bring in these guys. I'll copy one of it right here. Okay, I'll put it at this base here. I'll copy it, put it there, copy, put it there, copy. Let's delete this. I want it to be a different color, so I want it to be maybe a darker shade. So it could be that color right there. Alright, so we can just go ahead and copy. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so I can come again and bring this guy to the front now. I'll bring this guy to the front, I'll bring this guy to the front, I'll bring this guy to the front. Alright, so here we have it. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to bring the Nigeria flag right here. So I'm just going to do a circle thing here. Alright, and then I'll just reduce it and I'll put it right there. Then I'll adjust it. Okay, increase saturation. Okay, so that's that. So after you've done that, you want to get the exact date. So it's going to be March day. All right, so let's come over here and just write March not that match day. All right, so come over here, look for a font like this. All right, let's use a long font. Let's try Bebas. Let's increase the boldness. Let's drag it like this. All right. All right, so let's change the color to this right here. All right. Okay. Alright, the day is going to be here. Just adjust it there. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to send it to the back like this. Alright, that means we have to send all this guy to the back again like this. Okay, like this. Then we'll send this guy to the back again, so we'll have this. All right, so right here we have the particular day, which is it's gonna be Sunday. So let's write sun like this. Sunday, February, so it's gonna be February 11. All right, so we just come here because the background there is quite dark, so we're going to use a light color like this. White is okay. All right, so the next is going to be the time. The time is going to be 21 W80. All right, like this. I could even remove this. Alright, so I could copy this, and I'll put it here. Just write the W80 like this, and let's try to change the font first to this, and then let's try to put it right here. Let's just change the color to let's try to use the orange color. Let's save time. All right, so we're just going to adjust it here. All right, so who do you think is going to win this match on Sunday? Is it going to be Nigeria? Is it going to be Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, or what? Let me know in the comment section who's going to win this match tomorrow. Who's going to win this match tomorrow? So let's adjust this guy. Yeah. So we can just increase this a little more and then bring this here. Shouldn't we put it like this? All right. So we can have two. All right, so I wanted to add Go TV to it, so I could just come over here, just put this guy here. Right, they are not sponsoring this video. I'm just putting their logo right here. All right, I still need to slant this guy. Don't forget to like this video if you are enjoying the tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. All right, see, this is a very simple flyer that we just created right now. All right, so that is it. All right, so my name is Ni Yamuda, and I can't wait to celebrate my country Nigeria's victory. tomorrow. So the last but not the least, I'm gonna put this guy here. So right here I'm gonna write arch. Let's do it again. Another arch. Soar super egos. All right, and then the color, of course, white is going to be perfect for it. It's quite bold. I'm going to change this to a lighter version of Monster Ranch, and I'll put it right there. Still reduce it, and I'll put it right there, and just stretch it out a little. My name is Ni Yamuda. You can follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification so that you get notified whenever a tutorial is posted, and you would always enjoy it. All right, one thing is missing, and that is the Nigeria flag. We could use this to represent it. All right, we could use this to represent it. What I'm gonna put it there. Okay, so I'm putting it here. All right, I'm gonna rotate it like this. I'm still rotating it like this. Okay, still reduce it. All right, so I'm gonna bring this to the front. All right, so that's it. We're good to go. You can go ahead and save the design now as your project, and then very cool. Ni Amuda is my name, and tell me in the comment section who is going to win this match tomorrow. Is it going to be Ivory Coast? Is it going to be Nigeria? For me, I'm very optimistic that Nigeria is going to win this cup, this finals tomorrow. I'll see you in another video.